Every time we open the Qur'an, the first words we see are Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. But have you stopped to think what these words really mean? These are the opening words of Surah Al-Fatiha. Today, we will slow down and look at each word carefully. We will break them down step by step and understand what Allah is teaching us. First, we have the word Bismi. This word is made up of two parts. Bi means with or in. Ism means name. So Bismi means in the name of. This word teaches us something very important. A believer begins his actions remembering Allah. Before we speak, before we work, before we make decisions, we remember our Creator. The next word is Allah. This is the name of the Creator, the one who created the heavens and the earth and whatever is within them. So when we combine the words, we now have Bismillah. This means in the name of Allah. The Qur'an begins by directing our heart towards Allah. Then Allah introduces Himself with a beautiful attribute, Ar-Rahman. This word comes from the root Ra-Ha-Mim, which is connected to mercy. Ar-Rahman refers to Allah's vast mercy that reaches all His creation. Then comes another attribute, Ar-Rahim. This word comes from the same root related to mercy. But Ar-Rahim emphasizes Allah's continued and special mercy towards those who follow Him. Now, when we bring the whole phrase together, we read Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the especially merciful. This is how the Quran begins. Before guidance, before commands, before warnings, Allah introduces Himself through mercy. So when we say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, we are beginning our journey in the name of Allah and remembering His mercy.